ASUS laptop, model number is DA409. This seems to be or have a common issue. The problem here, which is problem with the display. So nothing happened with the laptop. It didn't fall down or anything or liquid, or it just, the screen disappeared. It turns on, but we have no picture. So let's start to diagnose. We have already taken off the back cover. As you can see, it is on now. We have the LEDs, the orange LED for the low battery and the white LED that the machine is on. Everything looks fine here. We can have a look at the LCD connector to check our rails. Let's turn it around with the lid open so we have not the screen turning off. So in order to get a backlight, we need to have on the 4 pins on the right side 19 volts or 18.5. When it's only on battery, then the voltage is lower. It's about 6 to 8 volts. Then we have our VCC line on the left side, the first dot with the 2 pins, which is 3.3, and some other lanes from 2.6 to 2.8. Again, you can see the LEDs, the machine is on, and there is no picture. Sometimes it seems a bit that the screen is flickering, or you see some backlight enabling signal, some flashing, very dim, but backlight is not the issue here. First, we're going to disconnect the battery, and then we're going to take the screen apart. There's a switch, just push it back, and then you can disconnect the battery, just like that. Good, he said. Okay, we're gonna have a look on the other side, on the panel side, and for that we're gonna take the frame off and the screen out of the back cover, so we can take a more detailed look on the screen connector which goes to the LCD panel. I'm gonna fast forward here a little bit. Let me hold in. That's a little bit of a stupid design here, because you cannot get the screen out without that cable here. As you can see me laughing, or hear me laughing. That's a bit of a strange, crappy design, ASUS. Yeah, well, let's go further. Okay, now everything is apart, and so it seems like we have exactly the same problem from another repair guy in Germany. It's called Fair Repair. He's also doing some interesting stuff. Basically only board level repair. And yeah, let's have a look under the microscope, and I'm going to show you what the problem with these devices are. It's a quality control issue, because as you can see here, they are unable to connect the 3-pin E-connector correctly. So if you have a bad connection, then you are gonna get or run into some weird problems like no backlight, or even like here, absolutely no picture. Yeah, we're gonna push that back. We're gonna add some tape to it, because this tape which is here on there is much too loose and it's not straightened properly. Another thing I can show you is, just as an example, I have a MacBook Air 2012 model. They have here that hinge where you can connect the LCD, and then flip that hinge over and you're secured. And some dumb things like this do not happen. This device is 12 years old. Maybe that's some improvement for you. You can think about it and add it to your new models. But yeah, as device parts and material always get cheaper, they use as less as possible. Such things will become more often in the future. Dumb mistakes because of, yeah, saving money. Yeah. So let's put it back together. We have talked too much. And let's see if we can get a picture now, if everything is connected as it should be. Gotta fast forward. There's a lot of fiddling here. A little bit of an awkward design, as I told you. Okay, we're gonna connect the battery back. Push the lid back. And now we should be ready to turn the device on. I'm gonna connect power because the battery is quite low, and power. I have to wait a couple of seconds. The machine will probably make some power cycling because we disconnected the battery. Make some run testing. Well, we may... Oh, no, it's quickly here. And we have a screen. What do you think? Probably one of the cheapest repair. If you have no screen, what you can get. The customer will be very happy because we don't need expensive parts or screen or anything like that. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna put it back together, but not on this video. And yeah, let me know what you think. Hit a like, hit a comment or whatever, or just do nothing, just watch and stay alive, keep reading and stay safe. Thank you and goodbye.